outside. So if we are considering only 3 inputs, only 8 combinations are there. Currently we are having the circuits which are having larger numbers of bits, thousands of bits, so the combinations will be much more, and to set up this test bench for each circuit will take time. Costing of the test bench is also high, and most important thing is the time requirement to test this is pretty much high. So for that, what we have, a special thing is there, that is nothing but BIST, or you can simply call it as BEAST. So this BEAST, what it does, this is nothing but built-in self-test. So this is nothing but BEAST, built-in self-test. Now some circuits are there which can be designed with the testing circuit inside it. Means a built-in section, built-in self-test section will be there inside the circuit, which will test the circuit on particular interval of times. Now if I want to give the examples for this kind of circuit, so I'll give you example for the, so that is an example part. First and the very important example is the nuclear weapon. So these nuclear weapons, once they are made, we all know that we don't use them very often, but we have to test them very often. So they are very oftenly tested. Nuclear weapons are often tested. It is a very time consuming part to test a nuclear weapon, because the scientists and engineers will be working on that. So instead of that, what we will do, we will design a built-in self-test for the nuclear weapons okay, and for the after particular time interval, the nuclear weapon will test itself of the different sections, and it will be checking that whether there is a fault or not in the weapon. If there is a fault, it will indicate you such a way that the built-in test circuit is built up for the nuclear circuit. The second example can I give you about that is the satellite launching procedures. Okay, so different system associated with satellite launching or the communication circuitry, whatever you can see. Okay, so satellite launching is designed into a particular number of stages. 4 to 5 different stages are there, in which digital signal processing part is there, communication part is there, antenna subsystem is there. So we cannot test these circuits when the satellite is being launched. So what we need to do, inside the satellite, we have to fix the built-in self-test circuits which are continuously monitoring the working of all the subsystems. On the basis of that, the troubleshooting is very easy, and the digital circuits and whatever the digital circuits are there inside the satellite associated with the antenna positioning or the image capturing or the communication softwares or the DSPs associated with the satellite communication, that is digital signal processings. So that can be taken care of by this built-in self-test or the BEAST, which is fitted inside a digital circuit or equipment which will be testing it on the regular interval of times. So this kind of circuits auto checking itself. So auto check circuits. Okay, and the next part of the testing of digital circuit is to make the circuit which are tolerant to the faults. Okay, so the circuit names are fault tolerant designs. Okay, but these fault tolerant designs are very hard to test. Now why they are very hard to test? Because it says that the circuit is fault tolerant. If there is any fault, the circuit will take care of it, and it will be working fine. So there will be a fault tolerant system. But though the system will work properly, it is having some faults, but still you are not knowing what are the faults are, because the circuit is fault tolerant, and we have to make a circuit which is totally free of faults. There should be no faults allowed in a digital circuit. But if you are making a fault tolerant design, there will be faults, and you might be not knowing where are the faults are. Okay, so this is how the testing procedure of digital circuit is worked, and in the next session we will be seeing the sources of faults in the digital circuits as well as their types, fault models. This kind of different sections are there further in 5 minutes. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned.